Hi everyone. Today we are going to create TikTok videos to build our brand and grow our following. Let's start by selecting the video templates from the home page, and from here clicking Instagram Video Story. Once you're here, you can choose from our amazing pre-designed templates, or you can create your own from scratch. There's no need to go out and try to film all your content yourself. By selecting the media icon, you can choose from millions of video clips in Simplified's media library to help your brand shine on TikTok. Once you found the perfect one, go ahead and select it, and it will appear on your artboard. And there you go. Videos perform best on TikTok when you add trending audio on them. You can export your video without sound and add trending audio clips to them when you upload them to TikTok. With Simplified, in just a few steps, you can create amazing TikTok content to make your voice stand out. Check out our other videos to see how Simplified can help you every step of the way with social media. See you there.